Saan napunta yon? Merong palokohan dito. Merong violation of fiduciary duties, Mr. President, if the funding that by law has been earmarked for Syntax and shall be given to PhilHealth, it is not delivered to PhilHealth. I do not want this body to be complicit in allowing this to happen. Let's be clear, hindi tayo ang may kagagawan yan. BIR certified that 69 billion is available. 53 billion lang, I'm talking about 2025, no? For 2025, 53 billion lang ang nasa NEP. And so when we fail to give the entire amount of 69 billion earmarked, then we are allowing the 16 billion to be parked somewhere else, to be used somewhere else, to be drowned and forgotten somewhere else. That is not allowed, Mr. President. At least maipaliwanag sa atin kung saan nilagay yun. Kasi kahit saan pa man nilagay, bawal. Because there is a law that dictates that it goes to PhilHealth. And this goes on every single year.